All right, this is the Westin in Buffalo Grove. We've got ThyssenKrupp elevators here.
Should have done that. Should have done the course in Vegas, 28th of May.
Is that a sponsor?
That's a CST. Sorry.
No, you're fine. Okay.
16 real quick. That's the CST.
I'm just filling the numbers.
Oh, you're fine.
And then they have another course in Vegas out at the test site. That's the 4th through the 7th.
Okay.
I hate did that, going and driving to that test site.
That is a long drive.
It's a drive in the morning.
What floor do you need? 16. Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's a long drive, man.
I remember when that first night.
As long as it's not Smitty, it's okay. But if it's Smitty, I don't like doing that drive for a 7-hour day.
Take care.
No.
Thank you.
Yeah, you go out there, you mean, man, I don't want to drive both ways and get 7 hours a day.
I remember that when I first met you and I was there doing my encore
Yeah.
with Rick. And you go, where are you staying? I go, here. He goes, you go, don't ever do that.
That's right, I remember that.
Don't ever do that.
Well, like, they need an escort out there.
Yeah.
Sometimes Doug won't want to do it, so I'll do it.
Oh, yeah.
But then they're paying me to go out there, so.
Right.
Hey, we'll see you in the morning, brother.
All right, I'll see you.
Yep.
I'm just doing a project on elevators.
Project on the elevator.
On elevators in general, I film all of them. These are quick for geared. Going up.
Going up?
Yeah. I'm just doing a project.
Oh, you're good.
Have a good one.
Thank you, too.
These are actually pretty nice. I like these. Anyway, and then now, before I end the video, here's a view. That's an office complex, and I'm pretty sure that's Waukegan up there. Anyway.